guys, welcome to my channel Priya Ki Pathshala. So in this video, I will be showing you how to download the latest version of Python. So first we will click on Google Chrome, or you can use any other web browser as well. Then we will type Python download on a search engine. So just click on the first link, which is www.python.org. Then we will go on downloads. Then this new version of Python, which is Python 3.8.2. Now it will take few seconds to get downloaded. Now we will click on Customize Installation. Now we will click on Next. Here, this path location, we will clear some part of this so that one folder will be created in C drive named Python 3832. Now it will take couple of minutes to get installed. Now the setup is in progress. Now the setup is successfully installed. So now we will check that downloaded Python version is successfully installed or not. Now we will simply type Python or a command prompt in search bar. So this command window is open. So now I will print my name. So simply we will type print Priya and then enter. So here, oh great, it works. So now we will calculate 2 plus 5 and wow, we are getting 7. So guys, if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel Priya Ki Pathshala. Thank you for watching this video.